Good morning. I understand that it is difficult to do rotations when you are remote at home and it's difficult to use patty paper on your computer. So I'm in goformative in the show your work section and I want to show you a little workaround. Normally if you have pencil and paper you can use a protractor and a ruler to find rotations, but again it's a little bit hard when you don't have pencil and paper. So first I am going to go over here to where I select my colors and I'm going to fill in where it says fill shapes and multi-touch drawing. Most important is the multi-touch drawing. Now I have this shape and I want to rotate it 90 degrees around the origin, around 0, 0. So the first thing I do is I'm going to draw a line from the origin to my point. So point A is where I'm starting. Because I'm rotating it 90 degrees, I'm going to draw another line to create a 90-degree angle. And hopefully you can create that visually. You could hold a piece of paper up to your screen to try to see if you've created a 90-degree angle, and that would help you see where will your new point A be. So my new point A, I'm going to put a little circle there, is right here. Now, let's say your line wasn't quite 90 degrees. You could hit the select tool, which looks kind of like a broken picture frame, and you click on that line that you drew, and you can move it. For example, I'm going to use that to find point B. So I'm going to move my first line, grab the corner, and if you're struggling with it, like you can see I'm doing right here, I'm just gonna erase it and start over. Like there's no reason to struggle. So I'm gonna go make my new line. I'm gonna start at point B and go to my origin. Now I can select my second line. Make sure, okay, I did a pretty good job of actually making a right angle. So I know that my second point goes here. Let's go ahead and make our third line. So I'm going to delete my old lines just in case it's easier. And of course, I just love deleting that point. Good thing I remember I've made it so many times I know where it goes. All right, so we will move that puppy over. All right. So my last line, I'm going from point C to my origin. And now I'm going to make my next line and start at my origin and really working to make sure that is a 90-degree angle, and try a couple like, oh, that's a little small and that looks pretty good. So there is where my last point is. Now I could be wrong. Because I'm noticing that 1, 2, 3, that's 4. It actually looks a little bit small. This is not, if you realize you've done something wrong, try again. Let's try that again here. So, oh, that looks much better right there. Of course, it'd be much easier if you had a protractor and a ruler, but we don't. So there we go. And the other way we can check is when we write down our ordered pairs, we know that the numbers are going to be similar to our old numbers. Don't forget to label your vertices. So this is point C, we've got point A, and point